On the screen you see a document with a header, a graphic, even a calendar. If you'd like to take that document and share it with someone, there are several ways you can do that. You can simply send them the Word document, but there are a couple drawbacks to that. First of all, someone may not have Microsoft Word, or you might want to send it to them and you really don't want them to edit it or change it in any way. You want it to stay the way you sent it. So what I'd like to do is show you how to export this document into what's called a PDF. A PDF stands for Public Document Format. You're not changing the original document, you're making a copy in a format that almost anybody on the internet, on a network, from a flash drive can read this copy of your Word document. You don't need any special software. Just click on the File menu in the upper left corner. And then on the File menu, click Export. Now, I have an item called Create Adobe PDF because I have Adobe loaded on my system. If you don't, and I'm going to assume you don't, the built-in option is Create PDF/XPS Document. So we'll choose that one. Reminds me of three things. First of all, my layout and formatting and fonts are all preserved. It cannot easily be changed. If you have advanced PDF software, you can change it. And that viewers are available on the web. So anybody who picks up a PDF viewer can be able to read your file. So I'll just click on the Create box. And it's going to ask for a couple things. First of all, what is the file name? I'm going to change the name here to Test 50. And then type. I can click PDF or XPS. I'm just talking about PDF today, so we'll just leave it at that. I'd like to have you look at the options we have here, though. When I click on this button, I can export or create all pages, just the current page, a range of page. I can publish the document and show markups or not. I can include non-printing information. I can talk about the properties of the document and make that available. But notice the bottom one. This is really nice. I can encrypt the document with a password. So if I am sending a document that has some sensitive information, I simply click on this box and then they will have to know the password in order to open the document. If it contains sensitive personal or financial information, that's a really nice feature. I'm not going to change anything on this, but I wanted you to see it. And I'll just click on the Publish button. Now it's published the document. Here's what the name of it is in the header, Test 50 PDF, and it opened it in my local reader, which happens to be Adobe. And here is the full copy of the document. The one thing you need to remember is that if you change the document, you need to go through the export process again. Let's try it one more time. This time we'll use the encryption. I'll click File, Export, PDF, click on my button. I'll choose my options. I'll use Encrypt It and click on OK. Now here's my password. I'll type in a password and I'll repeat it. And I'll click on OK. Oops, I have to have 6 characters. Well, we'll try that again. I learned something here. And there we go. Okay, now I'll click on Publish. And I'll replace the current file. Now, it won't open it until I put in the password. And there we go. Nice feature of exporting documents, either encrypted or in a normal format with Microsoft Word.
When you want to make your Word document available to other people, exporting it as a PDF document is often the best way to go. We'd like to remind you that if it contains sensitive information, you can use this simple process and add a password so that only those who know the password can actually open your document. I'm Jim from the Sharper Turtle. As always, we'd like to ask you, if you find this lesson useful, to like us, Leave your comments and subscribe if you would, so that you're up to date with the newest lessons as we develop and release them for you.